Here's 5 things I hate about my Audi RS3. This stupid annoying warning every time you started the car, not to exceed 5,500 RPM. I think most people with common sense are gonna have the judgment to know that's a terrible idea and should not be attempted anyway on any car. The next thing I can't stand is this flimsy sunroof shade. When you accelerate, naturally it's gonna wanna slide back, have to keep constantly pushing this forward. Top of that, it's got this really flimsy shade, doesn't have a lot of material. It's just so paper thin it starts to sag over time. Manual seats on a $60,000 car. I mean, come on, man. I get it's a raw, bare bones car, but really could expect a lot more with the vehicle in this price range. The next thing that annoys me about my RS3 is when you pull the lever back to drive the car in sport mode. Yes, it sounds a lot better, opens up the valves, you get those nice aggressive downshifts, but unfortunately, with this 7-speed DSG, the car never wants to go past 4th gear. So you're cruising down the road around 45, 55 miles an hour, you're just gonna be sitting there in 4th gear, unless you switch it over to manual mode and upshift on your own. Yep, not the biggest problem in the world, but it's still a bit of an inconvenience compared to the 8-speed on my BMW 340i. And last but not least, I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to chime in on this one, front wheel drive, aka fake quattro Haldex. Yep, gets the job done. Car's still plenty fast, performs quite well, but we would all prefer that traditional, authentic Audi quattro drivetrain. That's it for the list. Comment down below, follow for more.